Have you ever tried to export your Google Calendar only to find that the events are missing from the PDF? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to export your Google Calendar as a PDF with all your events using Google Apps Script. I completely understand your concern. Many users face this issue when trying to automate their calendar exports. You're not alone in this, and it's a common challenge that can be resolved with the right approach. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why do I get a calendar PDF without events when using AppScript?" They mentioned that the URL works fine in a browser, but not when fetched through AppScript. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this issue? The problem often lies in how authorization is handled when making requests through AppScript. We'll break it down step by step to help you understand what's going on. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will ensure your calendar exports are successful every time. To begin resolving the user's issue, we need to ensure that the authorization token is correctly passed in the request. The user is already using the bearer token, which is a good start. Next, the user should check if the OAuth scopes are correctly set in their AppScript project. This is crucial for accessing the Google Calendar API. After confirming the scopes, the user should test the URL in a browser to ensure it returns the expected events. This will help verify that the URL is correct. Finally, if the events are still not appearing in the PDF generated by the AppScript, the user may need to review the parameters being passed in the URL. Ensure they match the expected format. Fun fact, did you know that Google Calendar was first launched in 2006? It has come a long way since then, but exporting events can still be tricky. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves creating a print-friendly calendar using Google Apps Script's HTML service. This user found that the standard printable view often cut off event names, so they developed a custom script. This script generates a calendar that users can print directly from their browser. Additionally, it can be called from another script to email a PDF version of the calendar monthly. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always check your authorization and URL parameters before running your script. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. With the right URL and authorization, your Google Calendar should export perfectly with all your events included. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on advanced Google Apps Script techniques.